What is the back lever?
A back lever is an advanced calisthenics move where the body is held horizontal while suspended from a bar facing the ground. It demonstrates significant core, shoulder, and back strength. Mastering this skill not only looks impressive, but also helps develop full body control, balance, and resilience that transfer to a range of other fitness activities.
Assessing readiness and foundation.
Before beginning back lever training, it's crucial to build a strong foundation. Focus on basic exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, skin the cat, and hanging leg raises. These movements strengthen the shoulders, core, and grip. Ensure you can execute these exercises with good form and without pain, as strong foundational strength reduces the risk of injury as you progress.
Incremental progression steps.
It involves bringing the knees close to the chest while hanging horizontally from a bar or rings. Once comfortable, gradually extend the legs to advanced tuck, then straddle, and eventually full back lever.
Form, technique, and common errors.
Focus on form over duration. Keep the body straight, shoulders retracted, and avoid arching the lower back. Keep elbows slightly bent and wrists in a neutral position. Common errors include letting the hips sag, bending at the hips, or rushing to the full position. Practicing good technique prevents injuries and leads to more consistent progress.
Safety tips and recovery.
Warm up thoroughly before training and listen to your body. Include dynamic stretches and activation drills for the shoulders and back. Take adequate rest between sessions. 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient for most people. If you feel pain, not just muscle fatigue, stop immediately. Regular stretching and soft tissue work aid recovery and promote joint health.
Celebrating success and next steps.
Achieving your first back lever is a major milestone that demonstrates dedication and physical mastery. Maintain your skills by incorporating back lever holds into your regular training. Ready for more? Consider building toward more complex moves like the front lever or planche, or explore dynamic variations to keep your training challenging and rewarding.